The Earth is the cradle of humanity, but mankind cannot stay in the cradle forever. Konstantin E. Tsiolkovsky. Today, I would like to talk to you about the importance of space exploration. On July 20th, 1969, humanity went to the moon for the first time. Since then, we have made incredible progress as a species. But for some reason, we have stopped looking into space exploration entirely. I think that this is a bad idea and that the government should put more money into space exploration because more jobs would be created. There are a lot of valuable resources in space. The project would lead to advancements in technology, and it is the only way to ensure the survival of the human race. First, let's explore how NASA creates more jobs. In 2019 alone, NASA supported over 3,012 jobs. 17,000 people work directly for NASA, with the rest being government contractors. This means that you don't even have to be a scientist to work for NASA. The Moon to Mars program in 2019 created 69,000 new jobs. NASA has also helped create jobs for marginalized communities, such as women and people of color. According to Statista, 28% of NASA workers are people of color. Doing the math, that is over 87,000 people. According to NASA, 45% of NASA workers are also women, which means that women are entering a very lucrative workforce. Now, let's explore space exploration and how it can solve humanity's lack of resources. Space exploration is the solution to many resource crises that are holding us back today. Space exploration can help meet humanity's growing energy needs. For example, we have only explored 20% of Titan's surface, and in just that 20%, there is more natural gas and oil than there is in the entire Earth. And according to evidence found at the 40th Lunar and Planetary Conference, there is an abundance of radioactive material on Earth's moon, which means that it could be a hub for nuclear energy and climate-friendly power. And not to mention that there is an abundance of valuable metals in space. For example, the asteroid 2011 UW158 is estimated to have up to 152,000 tons of platinum. That is more platinum than there is on the entire Earth. And there is, according to the U.S. Money Reserve, about 700 quintillion worth of gold on an asteroid named Psyche. Space exploration can also help solve humanity's growing lack of water. According to NASA, there is liquid water on the surface of Mars. To quote John Grunsfield, "Our quest on Mars has been to follow the water in search of our life in the universe, and now we have convincing scientific data that validates what we've long suspected. This is a significant development, as it appears to confirm that water, albeit briny, is flowing today on the surface of Mars." According to NASA, the Minor Planet Ceres is made of 25% water. If this is correct, Ceres has more water than Earth does. Now let's explore how space exploration will lead to advancements in technology. Space exploration has led to many technological innovations in the past. For example, satellites. Satellites were originally launched to help observe the Earth. They were launched by NASA. And without that, we wouldn't have GPS, and our weather predictions would be a lot less accurate. The SPOC, or Shuttle Portable Onboard Computer, was developed in 1983 to help astronauts calculate flight patterns. This technology later resulted in the invention of the laptop. And smoke detectors were developed in the 1970s for NASA's Skylab program. Subpoint number 2. There are already projects underway which require technological innovation. For example, NASA and the DOE are currently funding 3 different nuclear space propulsion concepts, one of which is planned to get humans to Mars. Europe has built a 2-handed mechanical arm which was launched to the ISS 2 days ago. This mechanical apparatus will be used to install new components to the ISS, and it has the potential to completely revolutionize factory jobs. Lastly, let's explore how space exploration is the only way to ensure humanity's continued survival. Subpoint 1. Climate change is nearly impossible to stop. According to a 2018 report from the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, humanity only has until 2030 to cut carbon emissions in half before climate change becomes irreversible. Global carbon emissions have increased by 900% since that report was released. Fossil fuels make up 79% of global energy consumption. If we were to stop burning coal and oil right now, that would lead to a new dark age. We have to put time into transitioning, which we have not done. Global energy consumption has also increased from 358 gigajoules in 1990 to 565 gigajoules in 2020. And even if we do solve climate change, there are still other existential threats to life that will lead to humanity's extinction if we stay here. According to the Fermi paradox, there are hundreds of billions of stars in the Milky Way galaxy, and even if only 1% of those planets have life, there will still be many, many civilizations out there. So where are they? And one example of an answer would be what's called a great filter, which is an inevitable event in the development of intelligent life that leads to their extinction. And in about 5 billion years, the sun will deplete the hydrogen in its core, causing it to expand, which will melt the Earth's surface, leaving it uninhabitable. So let's explore what we've learned, shall we? So, I hope you learned something about the importance of space exploration and why we should be investing more in doing so. It's because, God damn it. Okay. Stop. Pause. So, I hope I have convinced you all about the importance of space exploration. To recap, space exploration is important because more jobs would be created. There are a lot of valuable resources in space. The project would lead to advancements in technology, and it is the only way to ensure the survival of the human race. Thank you.